Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9, I am your teacher Nida Naqvi and this is your online virtual class scheduled by Metropolitan School. As you know that we have completed our syllabus and now it's time to prepare yourself for exams. So how will you prepare yourself for exams? Yes, you need to go through your model paper. So that's why today we are going to discuss model paper. Okay, I have written on the board about the section A. Okay, first of all we need to discuss about section A, what we need to attempt. First of all, if you talk about the total time period of the paper, you will have 2 hours, okay, and the total marks will be 100 marks. Okay, now come on section A. Here is a special note for you for section A. Point number 1 is that attempt all question of this section. It means this section is compulsory. You have no choice in section A. Don't copy down the question. You don't need to copy down the statement. You just write answer against the correct number of questions. Okay, and each question carry 1 mark. Fine. So you will have 50 MCQs. Now you have no choice. Keep it in mind that this section is compulsory. You need to attempt all the MCQs. Now come on the topics which you need to prepare to attempt section A efficiently. Now, first of all, you need to go through all the chapters and the poem very well. Then you can attempt easily the MCQs, multiple choice questions related to chapters and the poems. So, chapters and poems. You need to go through all the necessary important points of chapters and poem. After that, you need to review articles, prepositions, all tenses, and yes, don't forget to repeat and review parts of speeches, okay? And which part of a speech is more important? Verb and adjective, okay? Verb and adjective. Degrees of adjective and form of verbs, okay? You need to prepare 2 important things of these parts of speeches. After that, we have conditional sentences, which we have reviewed last is types of sentences, yes. I have explained you types of sentences as well. Descriptive sentence, affirmative, we have done all. Okay, you just need to review these topics. Number 9 is punctuation. You need to review punctuation, how to punctuate sentence correctly. Next one is which one is the new topic in your model paper, that is pick out the odd one. Okay, for example, here is a list: mango, banana, tree, and apple. Okay, now you need to pick out the odd one. Which is the odd one in this category? So tree is the odd one. You need to circle the odd one in this MCQ. Now come on the next one, which is suffix. We have done it. Suffix plus prefix. Active and passive, most important. We have done it in the review classes as well. And the last most important topic is direct and indirect. So these are the main topics which you need to review to attempt section A, because this section is compulsory. You need to attempt all the MCQs, so you will review these topics so you can do it very efficiently. So we are going to move on section B right now. Okay, now come on section B. In section B is comprised of 3 questions, okay? Question number 2 is of short question answer. Here you have 7 questions and you need to attempt only 5, but keep it in your mind that you need to write answer in 2 or 3 lines, because each question carry 2 marks. Total marks of this question is 10 and you need to attempt 5, so each question carries 2 marks. Now come on question number 3, which is of translation. You need to translate the given paragraph in Urdu and Sindhi. This is the new one question in your paper. You need to translate this given paragraph, any given paragraph which you will get in your paper, in Urdu or Sindhi. This will be of 5 marks. Now come on question number 4. Read the following passage. The passage will be unseen and then you will answer the given question. So how can you do it? Number 1, question may be in the form of MCQs, in blanks, question answers, and the most important thing, summary. So you need to do the practice of writing summary. You can do summary in 2 or 4 lines. So you need to do practice of writing summary. Now this is all about of section B. Now we are going to move to discuss section C. If you talk about section C, so section C, as I have written on the board for you, is a descriptive answer question which is of 20 marks. In this section, you have 2 questions, question number 5 and question number 6. If we talk about question number 5, in question number 5, there is a time to show your writing skills. You need to write on any topic. For example, as according to your model paper, suppose you went to an educational trip with your classmates and you are a class representative. You need to write the whole trip in your words and try to capture the picture of that situation. This is the self-writing, but you have a choice. You can write descriptive essay on any one topic. You will get 3 topics. You need to select the one best on which you can write efficiently. You have sufficient knowledge, so you can pick that one on which you can write easily and in detail. Now come on question number 6. Here you have again another choice, which is between application and letter. You will get application and letter. You need to take any one to write, application or letter, in which you can assume yourself the best one. Okay, so you can take any one, which is of 10 marks. This is all about the sections of your model papers. Now I would like to share with you some tips which you need to keep it in your mind during the paper. First thing, you need to keep it in your mind about the time duration. You should know how much time you need to consume to attempt a single question. This is a very important tip, and this is a very important and beneficial suggestion for you. Okay, so keep it in mind that how much time you are going to consume to attempt a single question. And if you are willing, if you are good in self-writing, so I will suggest you to attempt section C first rather than section B, because section B is comprised on textbooks, okay, on question answers of your textbook, from your textbook, and this is self-writing. Maybe it will take little more time, so you can do it easily in the beginning of your paper. So these tips you need to keep it in your mind, so you can do your paper in an efficient way. Okay, best of luck. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.